Hi, boys and girls. I just want to pop in real quick and say that I am so proud of each one of you and your hard work this school year, your really hard work this semester, and your really hard work the last couple weeks as we've been reviewing for milestones. I believe in you 100%. You're going to do amazing. I have no doubt when I see those scores, when you see those scores, we're not going to be surprised. We're going to look at them. We're going to say, yeah, they're awesome because you guys are awesome. And you and your learning coach and myself have all been working really hard together to make sure that this week is not a stressful week because you're prepared. You know what to do. You're going to go and you're going to sit down and you're going to look at that test. You're going to say, yes, I know all of this. I've got it. But if some nerves do creep in just a little bit, I just want to remind you of a couple of things we talked about you can do to help get your brain back to a place of calm, okay? Number 1, deep breaths. Slowly in and slowly out. Do that as many times as you need to get yourself back to a calm place. Number 2, name 3 things you can see and 3 things that you can hear. I can see the teacher. I can see my computer. I can see that person's red shirt. I can hear students typing. I can hear my heart beating because it's pretty fast right now. And I can hear the clock on the wall ticking. That helps you to refocus your attention on what's around you. Or option 3, stretch a little bit. When you stretch, it gets the blood flowing and gets more oxygen going to your brain. You can even ask to take a quick bathroom break and go stretch, take some deep breaths, use the bathroom, and then come back and start fresh. The other thing I want to let you know is a lot of you have earned prizes over the last few weeks, and I am happy to announce that all of the prizes have been mailed out today. So you should be receiving your prizes and your happy mail in the mail one day this week. I love you. I believe in you. I can't wait to see you again next week in live lesson. Bye, everybody.